And leaders are conductors. They're not instrumentalists. So the conductor is not playing an instrument. It's the composer's vision into reality. Our job is to orchestrate our team. The technology we use, not doing every single task ourselves. We are conductors. AI helps us become better conductors with our team. We are leaders. We are delegating. We are asking for help. We are learning. We are empowering. We are pushing. We're having honest conversations. We're not doing everything ourselves. And that's really important because I'm going to use what Irving said right now. Brandon has cleaned the bathroom. Yes, I have. But I shouldn't be doing it all the time, because if I'm cleaning all the time, I'm not being responsible to my infinity. Because my job is not to clean. My job is to become a better leader so I can be a better leader to my infinity. Yes, cleaning can be a beautiful thing, but it's not about ego. It's about the need of, you do it as needed, but then you realize what needs to be fixed. Why are you still cleaning the bathroom? What needs to be fixed? Because if Moises is the human that's delivering coffee every single day, then why do we have a kitchen crew? If he's the conductor and the delivery human as well. So if Sean is the only one making coffee, why is he called a leader? Because he's the instrumentalist. He's the one playing. He's the one doing every single task. If he's doing dishes all the time, yeah, great. Sean, thank you for doing dishes. Appreciate it. But tomorrow, hopefully, you're developing a team that before they clock out, they did the dishes in downtime. So it's not you at 8 o'clock tired doing dishes. So how do we train our team to be more efficient and we continue to grow as leaders?
Si eso te dio valor, suscríbete.